Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Drew, what it do? And in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and showcasing the New Balance 327 Casablanca and the green logo colorway. Let's get into it. For those who have watched prior videos of me and obviously have seen my face with a beard and now I'm shaved, why can't I grow facial hair? Someone help me out in the comment section. Like why can't I not grow facial hair? I got whiskers right now. Anyways, let's get on to the video. All right, sorry for that interruption. Upon opening the box of 327s, the Idealist sneaker, you're greeted by, I think, one of the most beautiful silhouettes of 2020. My first impression of the shoe is that it feels very, very quality. And it comes across as a shoe that didn't really cut many corners when it was decided to be created. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense. That English is not very good. But the shoe is beautiful, just know that. I think what I really love and what makes the shoe beautiful is the array of cream color blocking that they've decided to use for the shoe. The outsole is actually a cream colorway, while the midsole is a more white tone. The suede on the in is a more cream colorway again, and then all the suede is particularly cream. The inside of the shoe is lined with leather. And to me, I just think that, you know, this color is what really gets me and is the reason why I decided to actually purchase this colorway and make this review. This is just another fantastic example of a beautiful muted sneaker that can, you know, move in and out of different outfits and different, I guess, motif styles. If we take a closer look at the sneaker, we can see the textured leather on the upper of the sneaker. It's a very soft leather to the touch. The suede on the upper is also extremely soft to the touch, and something that I'm, you know, surprised by, but not really, because it's New Balance. This isn't a made in USA pair. This is actually made in China, I believe. I should say, I can't even read it, but definitely a top-notch pair in my opinion. And, you know, feeling in hand and owning lots of sneakers and having owned lots of sneakers, it feels like a good pair of shoes. So if you're interested in purchasing this sneaker, I would go true to size. We'll have an on-foot portion of this review, and I'll kind of talk a little bit more about comfort and whatnot. But from wearing these and kind of doing YouTube time inception, I'll let you know that these do fit true to size. They are very comfortable. I'll talk a little bit more about comfort in the on-foot section as well. But if you're curious about picking these up, I'll go true to size. As of right now, I actually didn't acquire these for retail. I picked them up for resale, and the prices are dropping on these. I think that, you know, people are getting them in hand. There's no extra pair of laces. There's nothing really crazy different about the silhouette compared to some of the other silhouettes of the 327 that are out there, and they're saying, oh, okay, this is nice, this is cool, but it's not necessarily a $500 sneaker, you know what I mean? Which makes it awesome for me, because it's a shoe that I really loved and wanted to pick up and wanted to kind of showcase for you guys, and I think it's just a very, very beautiful shoe. Man, let's get these Jones on feet, you feel me? So like I said, for these, I definitely go true to size. They fit pretty snug in the kind of forefoot, excuse me, or kind of this section of the sneaker. But I think true to size you know, does most people justice. You won't really feel any kind of crazy tightness on the sneaker. I think the comfort level of the sneaker is pretty nice. It's not anything like 990s or some Ultra Boost or Boost technology, but it is a nice, very comfortable sneaker. Definitely something that I can see myself wearing around, even potentially going on the tennis court and playing. What do you guys think? You guys think I should actually like try to play this? The entire Casablanca collaboration centered around this tennis club essentially. So I have no problem with just kind of messing around. I'm not very good at tennis, but messing around on a tennis court. If this video gets, I'll do this. If this video gets 25 likes, I'll go out and make a video playing with these sneakers on a tennis court like I did with the New Balance P550s, which I'll link to that video. But definitely a comfortable shoe, definitely a shoe you can wear around pretty much all day and not really have that kind of foot fatigue. I'm assuming I haven't been able to wear them all day, but very, very comfortable, and they fit true to size. So those are two key things. Overall, I'm extremely thrilled to have these sneakers in my possession. At first, when I saw them online, I kind of thought the 327 resembled the LD Waffle, but getting them in hand, I actually really see that they are their own very unique silhouette, and I'm really, really excited to kind of explore different outfit options with these. If you want to see me stylize and kind of show these in a more realistic light, or I guess not realistic light, but more of a personal light, then follow me on my Instagram at DrewJoyner_. I actually have some pictures of these up already. I'm not sure if I'll put them in the video, but if they're not in the video, just go to the Instagram, check it out, man. I love connecting with people. Follow me on Instagram. I would truly, truly appreciate it. Other than that, I think these sneakers are super dope. One of my favorite collection pickups for the year, and definitely something I would recommend to anyone who's in the market for a New Balance 327. This Casablanca colorway is going down in price, so you probably can get it, you know, just $20 or $30 above retail if you find the right reselling option. So definitely check these out, you know, and let me know what you guys thought of the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more content. I post videos weekly, and thank you guys for staying tuned to this video this far in the video. I would appreciate if somebody gave me some beard advice. Like I tried to grow the beard for the winter time, you know, get a little burly. It didn't work out, man. It didn't work out. But anyways, hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Peace. Yo, let's get this 25 likes so I can go on a tennis court and embarrass myself in these shoes. Like, come on, don't you guys want to see that? Like, I will literally try to play tennis for y'all in these white cream sneakers. Probably get them all dirty and whatnot. But like this video. Like this video.